This video has just been going viral, but what is disturbing the most is the fact that the victim of this bully acted so cold. It reminds me of how my brother used to get bullied before, back when he was in primary school. The name of the bully was Benjamin. One day he told my dad about this bully. When he told my dad, the funny thing was that, look at what my dad responded to him. He said, whenever Benjamin comes to you again, you should make a fist like this. I should punch him hard on his face. The following day, when my brother returned back to school, the bully came again. And guess what happened? Victor punched him hard on the face and he started bleeding. And as a result, the teacher flogged him for retaliating. Could you imagine that? He said that was the best feeling of his life, right? Because he was able to stand up against his bully. Since from that day, Benjamin never in any way tried to bully my brother again. And that was how it was till he grew up. Now, am I encouraging children to fight? No. All what I'm simply saying is, as a parent or as a guardian, you should always teach your children how to stand up for themselves. Look at the way that lady was just very cold about it. If not for this video going viral, nobody would have even known that she was being bullied. Not even her parents. They could end up even killing this girl and she might die in silence without even knowing what was the cause of it. I'm just saying this. Always try to make sure you are very close to these children so they can be able to be opening up to you their little problems or their little struggles, so that whenever they have challenges like this, you can know how you can be able to tackle it. Aside from them now, tackling things like this also help them to be able to build their confidence, because that is very essential for anybody who wants to succeed. Let's say no to bullying and encourage our younger ones to stand up for themselves. See you next time. Cheers.